in-laws in town, plenty of food in the lunchbox, heading to work. My pen pal is back. He's fired up. I guess he got woken up and started to pound the notepad or computer keys, or started to write. So he woke up writing and said he needs a new approach, new plan. That's exciting. I'm going to start posting at a certain time every day on melting stones. Okay, it's still working. Something popped up. I hate when that happens. Which wireless network do you want? I'm kind of recording right now. Thank you. He's excited, and I am going to start posting on a melting stone website at first, directly, and possibly trying to draw people over, because once I start trying to quote unquote sell something on melting stone site, they're just gonna block me. So I need to find out what chat rooms there are, etc., to actually get some work done from a online and instant marketing approach, despite the fact that it's a work in progress. So I'm not sure how effective that's going to be, but that was my latest. You are the greatest. It is your world, and I'm just living in it.